Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. NGL step-by-step stop filter message and do a lot more with your messages here at NGL. So, give you ways to stop, filter, and to block person in your NGL. So let's just say you don't want a specific word in your NGL to be seen or for you to receive. I'll be teaching you how to do that. Just click on the settings on the top right corner. After pressing on the settings on the top right corner, press on settings. Here you'll be located to your settings, and once here, you'll see safety control right here. Safety control right here, you can use words that you want to hide. As you can see, let's maybe add the word banana. So whenever somebody's gonna chat you a banana, it will hide the unwanted message. So once it's hide, you don't see you won't see the word or maybe phrase or maybe emoji that you have added here. There you go. And block users. To block a user right here, as you see right now, there's no block user, but if you're gonna block a user right here, once you block the user, they won't be able to they won't be able to send you NGL unless you unblock them. And here, pause my link. So the pausing your link right here, once you, let's say you have you want to stop people sending you links, you can just pause the link. So once you do that, you won't be able to send, and they won't be able also to send messages to you using the link. Or you can just pause it with a timer, 1 hour, 6 hours, 24 hours, depending on your choice. And you can do advanced message filtering right here. Once you turn this on right here, even more messages that meet our criteria will automatically be hidden. So there you go. As you can see, depending on the app's criteria, it will be hidden. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video, because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.